Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about what is in a label in Excel 2013. Here's the deal with text entries. All data entries beginning with the letter of the alphabet or a punctuation mark are considered text. All data enters that mix letters like A to Z and numbers are considered text, and 0 to 9 this number is considered to text even when the entry begins with a number like 5CT. It's a text format. Its start begins with a number, but it's a text format. All numeric data entries that contain punctuation, either that commas, periods, and forward slashes are considered text like J, K. It's also text, and even when they begin with a number, and like 2J, K, L, it's also text. So all format are text. This means that in addition to regular text such as first quarter earnings and John Smith, non-standard data entries including C123, 666 450034, it's also text format, and 123C are also considered text entries like C123, it's a text entries, এবং 666-45-0034, and it's also text entries. So, however, a problem exists with numbers that are separated by hyphens, also known as dashes. If the numbers that are separated by dashes correspond to a valid date, Excel converts it into a date, which is most definitely kind of numeric data entry. See the date and times. For example, if you are enter on dash to dash 1222 in a cell, Excel thinks that you want to enter the date January 2, 2022. You can enter and see this in the cell, and the program automatically converts the entry into a date number displayed as 1, 2 and forward slashes 2022 in the cell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to enter a number as text in a cell, you must preface its first digit with an apostrophe For example, if you are entering a part number that consists of all numbers such as 12 dash 30 dash 13, so and you don't want to Excel to convert it into the date December 30, 2013, you need to preface the entry with an apostrophe by entering into the cell, like preface the apostrophe, then it's not automatically converted. So if you want to enter a number as text, then you use preface like apostrophe. Likewise, if you want to enter 3/cell 3/4 in a cell, meaning 3 out of 4 rather than the date March 4, you enter. When I am entering, then you can see March 4, and if you want to use 3/4, then use preface apostrophe, then 3/4, then enter, and you can see this is not automatically converted. Note that if you want to designate the fraction 3/4, you need to input equal 3/4, in which case Excel displays the value 0.75 in the cell displays, like equal 3/4, then enter, and you can see this, the result is 0.75. When you complete an entry that starts with an apostrophe, the apostrophe is not displayed in the cell. It does appear, however, on the formula bar. You can see when you select the cell, an apostrophe is shown in formula bar, but cell it's not showing apostrophe. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.